Redeeming a Google Play gift card through Mistplay takes just a few taps, but the code only works if you redeem it on the correct Google account. That's where most people mess it up. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to cash out your Mistplay units for Google Play credit, and use it without problems. Here's the direct answer. Open Mistplay, go to the Rewards tab, select Google Play, confirm your email, redeem your units, and claim the code inside your Google account. That's the full process. Start with your Mistplay account. Open the app and tap the Shop or Rewards section. That's where all gift card options live. Scroll until you find Google Play. The available reward amounts depend on your region, so your options may look different from someone else. That matters because Mistplay adjusts rewards based on country and reward partners. Next, check your unit balance diet. Make sure you have enough units for the card you want. Mistplay shows the unit cost right next to the reward. That tells you exactly what you need. Once you pick the card, tap Redeem. Mistplay will ask you to confirm your email address. This step matters. The gift card code gets sent there. If the email is wrong, the redemption gets delayed. After confirming, submit the redemption. Now wait. Once Mistplay processes it, you'll get an email with your Google Play code. A lot of people stop here and get confused. You're not done. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon, choose Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Redeem Code. Paste the code there. That adds the credit directly to your Google Play balance. One important thing. Make sure you redeem it on the same Google account you use for purchases. Google Play credit stays locked to that account after redemption. You can't transfer it. That's the biggest mistake people make. Quick recap. Open Mistplay. Go to Rewards. Pick Google Play. Confirm your email. Redeem the code in your Google Play account. Practical next step. Check your current Mistplay unit balance right now and compare how close you are to your next Google Play reward. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more Mistplay guides.